What is up, guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Roblox if it's not running. Alright, so if you're trying to double click your Roblox player over here and nothing is happening, there's no errors or nothing, then this is the steps you need to do to kind of resolve that. Alright, if there are errors, I have a bunch of videos on my channel about specific errors, so you can watch those. But specifically if it's just like not working, right, or even if there is an error code, you can definitely try these out to hopefully resolve them. Alright, the first thing you want to do is make sure it's not already running. Okay, so a lot of people, I know this is probably the main issue where it's running, but it's somewhere in the background. You just can't see it or anything. It's not really noticeable. So what you want to do with that is start Task Manager. You can right click here and click Task Manager, or you can do Control Shift Escape. Alright, and this will pull up Task Manager. And over here, what you want to do is search for Roblox. Okay, and if Roblox does come up, then close it. This is, you can see, it's Microsoft Edge. I probably have a browser or a tab open with Roblox, but if you see an actual process named Roblox, anything with Roblox, you need to right click and end task. All right, so this should if there's anything running in the background, it should close it. Okay, so after this, definitely try running it. If it's still not working, the next option you can do is actually to uninstall this player and reinstall it. All right, and it's pretty simple to do. All you need to do is just search for uninstall. All right, it's not over here. Let's just search it over here. All right, so it's called add or remove programs. Okay, so not necessarily uninstall, but yeah, over here you want to go down, find Roblox. Okay, I don't know why the search, I think that search is for the settings search, not over here. But yeah, you want to just scroll down, search for Roblox, go over here and uninstall it, and then go back to the Roblox website and reinstall it. All right, so once you uninstall it, you may need to restart your computer, right? And it is best practice to reinstall your computer and try it out then. So to reinstall it, we'll open up our browser. Let me just pull it up over here. And over here you can see the download, and then you'll click it and then re-download it and reinstall it. Okay, so that's basically how you would reinstall it. Okay, so those are the two main options that should resolve maybe like 90% of the issues, right? If it's just like a generic issue which for it not starting. And if you have any other issues, specific issues with the errors, then you can probably check out, I have a whole, I believe it's a playlist on my channel with all the different error codes and different specific errors. So if it's still not resolved, make sure to check those out, and you can probably match up a specific error. If there is an error that you're getting that is I don't have a video of, definitely let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely take a look in it and try to resolve it myself and go from there and let you guys know. So yeah, if you like this video and it helped, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.